In today's digital age, cybersecurity is more important than ever. Our personal and financial information is constantly at risk. Cyber attacks are becoming increasingly sophisticated. We must take steps to protect ourselves. Cybersecurity is about protecting our data. It's also about protecting our privacy. A breach can have serious consequences. Take cybersecurity seriously. We need to be aware of the risks. We need to know how to protect ourselves. This guide will provide you with the knowledge you need. Stay safe online. Cybercriminals use various methods to compromise our security. Phishing is one common threat. This involves deceptive emails or websites. They trick you into revealing sensitive information. Malware is another danger. This includes viruses, worms, and trojans. They can infect your devices and steal your data. Beware of suspicious links and attachments. Ransomware is a growing threat. It locks your files and demands a ransom. Be cautious about opening attachments from unknown senders. Social engineering is a tactic that manipulates individuals. They divulge confidential information. Always be wary of unsolicited requests for personal data. Strong passwords are essential for online security. They act as the first line of defense against unauthorized access to your accounts and personal information. Use a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This makes it significantly harder for hackers to guess or crack your password. Aim for at least 12 characters. Longer passwords are generally more secure because they add complexity and reduce the chances of successful brute force attacks. Avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. If one account is compromised, it can lead to a domino effect, putting all your other accounts at risk. This mitigates the impact of a breach. Even if one password is stolen, your other accounts remain secure. A password manager can help you generate and store unique passwords. These tools can also remind you to update your passwords regularly. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection. It ensures that even if someone gets hold of your password, they still need a second form of verification to access your account. It requires a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone. This makes unauthorized access much more difficult. Enable this feature whenever possible. It's a simple step that greatly enhances your online security. Remember to keep your passwords secret. Sharing them with others can compromise your security. Do not share them with anyone. Treat your passwords like the keys to your personal vault. Regularly update your passwords to enhance security. This practice helps protect your accounts from evolving threats and vulnerabilities. Section 4. Regular updates and employee training. In this section, we will discuss the importance of keeping your software up to date and ensuring your employees are well trained in cybersecurity practices. Regular software updates are crucial for maintaining security. These updates often contain essential patches that fix vulnerabilities and protect your systems from potential threats. You see, updates often include patches for vulnerabilities. Without these patches, your systems could be exposed to cyber attacks. So it's a good idea to configure automatic updates to stay protected. This ensures that your software is always up to date without manual intervention. Educating employees about cybersecurity is paramount. Conduct regular training sessions to keep them informed about the latest threats and best practices. You should cover topics like password hygiene, phishing awareness, and safe browsing habits. These are fundamental skills that every employee should master. Establish clear security policies within your organization. These policies should be easy to understand and accessible to all employees. Enforce strong passwords and multi-factor authentication. These measures add an extra layer of security to your systems. Regularly review and update these policies. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, and your policies should adapt accordingly. Foster a culture of cybersecurity awareness. Make sure that everyone in your organization understands the importance of cybersecurity. Encourage employees to report suspicious activities. Prompt reporting can help prevent potential security breaches. And of course, promote responsible online behavior. This includes being cautious about the websites they visit and the information they share online. Section 5. Practical tips for staying safe online. Be cautious about the websites you visit. Not all websites are created equal, and some may harbor malicious software or phishing attempts. Stick to reputable and trustworthy sites. These sites are more likely to have robust security measures in place to protect your data. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar, indicating a secure connection. This ensures that your data is encrypted and safe from prying eyes. Avoid clicking on links from unknown senders. These links can often lead to harmful websites designed to steal your information. They could lead to phishing websites. Phishing sites mimic legitimate ones to trick you into providing sensitive information. If an email looks suspicious, it's best to delete it immediately. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Use strong and unique passwords for all your online accounts. A password manager can help you keep track of them securely. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible for an added layer of security. This makes it much harder for hackers to gain access to your accounts. Be mindful of the information you share online. Oversharing can make you a target for identity theft and other cybercrimes. Protect your personal and financial data. Always use secure methods for online transactions and avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive activities. Think twice before posting sensitive information on social media. Once it's out there, you can't control who sees it or how it's used. By following these tips, you can significantly enhance your online security. Small steps can make a big difference in keeping your information safe. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay safe in the digital world. Your online safety is in your hands, so take it seriously.